Hello everyone and welcome to the channel and welcome to verse 8. Today I'll be creating a game which I'll be sending to crossforge and it will be tradable. So if you are new here to the channel, there's an event going on crosswave 2.0 for verse 8 and crossforge. All you have to do is create a game on verse 8, launch the game, deploy it on cross mainnet and send it to the crossforge. So stick around and watch how I do it. I've created over 15 games on verse 8. So I have never created, all my games are basically land games. Like I have never created a water kind of game, so I want to try and see if I can create something aqua. Let me use the word aqua, an aqua game. So let's try and see. Okay, so to create a game, you go to click on create, or I don't, okay, yes, okay, click on create. I was trying to see if the cross, hold on, let me check. Are we still using the cross? Are we still using the cross platform, or are we going straight? Let me go through the cross game chain platform. You just type in a prompt. So I want to create an aqua kind of game because I've been creating, I've never created a water or aqua kind of game, so I just want to try this right now. So here we go. So let me think of an idea for a prompt. Create an underwater game with a fish named Velo. Create an underwater game with a fish named Velo as the main character. The fish will be hunting for what will the fish be hunting for? Planktons, and we fight against sharks and other deadly sea creatures. Let's go. So just something to start from there. You can start expanding your ideas. If you can't think of something, you can use any of the AI. Let me copy. Okay. You can use any of the AI, maybe Grok, DeepSeek, to generate a prompt for you. So if you don't have any idea, but I usually think out of my head and just, keep developing. What? Okay, let me go again. Create an underwater game with a fish as the main character. The name of the fish is Velo, and the fish will fight against sharks and sea creatures. let's start with this. See how it goes. I think there's a new UI for verse 8. I might have to switch to the new UI, but let's see what happens first. Okay, see. Over here it says switch to new UI. So let me copy my prompt I just typed. I might have to switch to the new UI. Let me just switch over now. No, switch to new UI. Because I don't want to waste my money. I have, oh, I forgot to show you guys. I have about okay, let me go ahead and show you how much I have before. I have about 40. Okay. I have $40. If you don't have credit, you can always go and join the Discord channel and follow the instructions on how to get credit, or you can purchase credit if you don't have the time to wait. So it's up to you. So let's go back to the game creation. As you can see, I have the credit request form on my Chrome browser, so it's my easy access here. So let's go back to the game. Let me paste my prompt. Create an underwater game with a fish as the main character. The name of the fish is Velo, and the fish will fight against sharks and sea creatures. Okay, let's go. Should this be survival, shoot 'em up, top, bottom? Do I have to no. Okay, I don't really need to select that. I think. Okay, let's go. So this is the new UI for verse 8 vibe coding. This is my first time using the new UI, so let's see how it is. I've been having problem making games on the old UI. It always says build file, no build file whenever I want to launch a game. So I've not been able to launch a game for a while now. So I'm hoping the new UI will not give me the same problem. So as you can see, it's generating a response. So the time of generation depends on the amount of information you put into the prompt, into the verse 8 AI. I'm using agent 8. There are other agents. We have Cloud 4.5, Sonnet, GPT 5.2, Gemini 3 Pro, Gemini 3 Flash, Grok 4. So I'm using agent 8 for now. I'll be trying other agents probably in my next game creation. So this is the part you have to be patient and wait for the AI to do its work. Yeah, if you go to my YouTube page, most of the ideas, or most of what you're seeing right here, I already made videos for them. So when you have any error during game creation, always the fastest way to solve the problem is screenshotting and sending in the prompt section instead of typing and telling the AI what to do. Just screenshot the error, and it will make it easier for the AI to find the error and fix it. So this video is more like a tutorial slash me just creating the game for myself too. So because I'm creating this game for the event on Crosswave 2.0, the VERSE8 and crossforge event. But at the same time, this is also going to be a video for the 2.0 for new users who don't know, or even old users who are still having issues with creating games. So we are waiting. Okay, here it says I should consider mobile first design. It is something I always forget to do because I'm really more of a PC guy. So I'm a PC guy. I'm not really into the mobile. I love sitting down on my PC and working. So most of the time when I'm done, that's when I usually tell the AI to make it compatible for mobile users, but I'll try and do that in the beginning, so that way it won't mess up my work. Because sometimes when you try to make it compatible, you start having errors because you've already made it for PC. So these are the things you need to know before you start to make your workflow very easy and fast, so you don't have to keep going back and forth all the time. So I think our game is ready. It's loading. So this is just the first step. After this is done, I'm going to take a break and make another video. First, we're just going to see how the whole mechanics are working. Then I'm going to take a break and make another video. So this is more like part 1 of my game creation. Come on, this is taking too long, man. Come on. Run command. I think the problem is I didn't make this. I should have told the AI to make it a 2D game. I think it's actually creating a 3D game, and it's going to be a serious problem for me. If you keep your game simple and focus on one core mechanics. Totally agree. Oh, come on, why is this thing taking so much time, man? Well, if this doesn't work, I guess I have to start all over again. Come on. But then my money has has already been exhausted. Load. Jeez. Come on. Or do I have to run? Okay, if it has already run a command on its own. Can you? The game is not loading. Can you check why and fix it? Okay, there's this security check on Cloudflare always popping up. I don't know why. It's always popping up. What do you mean security verification failed? Come on. I think I did this the wrong way. Okay. Can you change the game mechanics to 2D? Let me know with suggestions. Do not make any changes yet. This is vibe coding. You know, the thing with this Cloudflare thing, I think is probably the thing people are actually using some kind of, I don't know, stuff to just make the game. So this way you have to be here to make the game yourself. There's no way you can go around the system, since you always have to click to verify you are a human. So I guess it's all good. It's good for the game. Okay. Let me see what it says. Okay, I told you. Said, I understand the game is not loading. This is often caused by heavy 3D assets or complex physics initialization. Switching to 2D is a great solution to improve performance, loading times, and gameplay simplicity. Here are my suggestions for pivoting to a 2D game mechanics. Okay, Velo Deep Sea Dash. We can reimagine the game as a slide scrolling arcade shooter, Shrump or adventure. 2D. Okay. 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 Proceed with your recommendation. should I do a pixel proceed with your recommendation? I choose option A. Choose option A. Okay, because he gave me option A, he said I suggest option A in bracket shooter with cartoon style using phaser. It keeps the fight element you originally wanted but makes it responsive and fun. Choose option A, cartoon style. Okay. So I'm making this game for the crossforge VERSE8 event. You create, you play, and you trade. That's what's up. So we are switching to a 2D game now. We're switching to a 2D game. I made a mistake. I didn't tell the AI to make it 2D, so it went straight to 3D. I actually prefer 3D games, but we gotta work with what we have, so let's do this. 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 Come on. I mean, oh, I didn't write option A. I just, oh, man. Okay, still understood what I was doing. Thank God. I hope this comes out really well because there's a lot of every prompt takes a few dollars or cents from my account, so I have to be precise with my prompts, so I don't always have to retype. So I started with $40. Let's see how far I can get. So I know a lot of people are really like, some people are so scared of, such type of game creation and you don't know where to start from and all that. But I mean, what's the worst that can happen? I mean, nothing actually. Nothing's gonna happen. I mean, it's not as if your PC is gonna explode or nothing is gonna happen. The worst you can get is an error. That's just the worst. So don't be afraid to try. Just, the more you try, the more you get used to it, and the more you become a professional. So don't be afraid to make mistakes, but always learn from your mistakes. That's just how it is. I hope it works this time. Here we go. We got the game on. But I wanted to be the fish, not the shark. Come on. Come on. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is how you create a game. So keep creating, and when I'm done I'll post another video. So I'll see you guys. Hope you had fun. If you don't understand anything, you can always drop a question in the comment section and I'll answer your questions. So I hope you guys had fun watching the tutorial and how I'm creating this game. So I'll see you guys in the next video. That's gonna be part 2. See ya.